All right, I've got this Toro Timecutter 1642. It's got a 16 horsepower motor with a 42-inch deck. This thing is really clean. Almost no cosmetic damage, seats in good condition. It's got a couple light scrapes on this side. Let's see, the deck is straight. It's not been banged around or anything. And it's got some light scrapes over here on this side. Starts and operates like it should. I'll jump on and show you everything. Now that the seat's piping hot. Fires right up. No smoke, no rattling or bad noises out of the motor. Runs real good. Forward, back, left, right. Got some taller grass right in here. I'll give it a nice cut. See, it's nice and level, nice clean cut all the way through there. This thing operates and runs great, no problems.